I'm gonna show you how to make shrimp empanadas my way.
Let's add 4 tablespoons of butter. And then have 3 garlic cloves. I have mushroom here. You can use any other kind of mushroom, even mushroom from a can. Salt to taste. Black pepper, about a half teaspoon of pepper flakes, about a half teaspoon of dill wheat, 2 cups of shrimp. This is frozen shrimp already cooked. We want this to dry up a little bit. Let's add some cabbage, red onion, lime juice, and then red chili, olive oil, salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and a little bit of mayo. Now we have a really good coleslaw. So I have 2 cups of cornflour. We want about a half teaspoon of salt, 1 cup and a half of water, room temperature water. We're gonna add a little bit of water if we need it, but little by little. Use your hand because with the spoon you're not gonna feel the consistency of the dough, the masa. There you go. If you can form a ball and it doesn't break, it's good. In equal parts. Now we make little balls. I'm gonna grab a plastic bag. I like this one because plastic is a little thick. And there's a little bit of plastic here. This is the press to make tortillas. Place a ball in the middle. Don't press too much so they don't come out really thin. Thick enough. If you don't have a tortilla press, you can press it with a plate, and the little border here can help you to don't go thinner. There you go. But I'm gonna do it with the press because I have one. Now we put the filling and shredded mozzarella cheese. You can grab the plastic bag. You won't break it easy if you do it in the plastic. There you go. Set up a plate with paper towels. Fry them until crispy, golden brown. Don't let the filling go out.
If you like this, please subscribe.